食早餐咧，有一半都俾晒啲狗食嘅。Today I want to share a special moment I've been having with my favorite furry friend Tuktuk. Tuktuk is so afraid of water. The moment she sees a hose, it's like she's seen a monster. And honestly, I can totally relate. Growing up, I was the same way. I hate showers. I would scream my lungs out at the mere thought of getting my hair wet. But here's the funny thing, I realized Tuktuk and I are basically the same. We both despise water in our own way. So I decided it was time for a little intervention. I thought, if I could conquer my fear, maybe I could help Tuktuk too. What is that? So first, we bring Tuktuk to swim at a dog beach. She obviously can't swim and was panicking and gave me all the bloody red scratch marks. Well, it was an alright attempt. Applause for her bravery. Anyways, next. Shower time. We gotta face the fear now, Tuktuk. Or else you will be smelly and we don't want a salty dog walking around the house. So I had this light bulb moment. Why not I show her how calm and collected Pad Thai is during bath time? Pad Thai is this big bro in the fam. He is the epitome of chill. He's like in a spa, just soaking up all the good vibes. So when my cousin is showering Pad Thai, I invited Tuktuk to watch. I could see her ears perk up, and she was definitely curious. So as Pad Thai got showered, I could see that Tuktuk is slowly relaxing. It was like she was thinking, hey, it doesn't look so bad after all. Well, I feel pretty proud of myself as a former teacher because this is totally working. It's like I'm conducting this little doggy seminar on the joys of getting clean. So I turned on the hose, sprayed water onto my hands, tested the temperature with just a little water, nothing too overwhelming because we all know how that goes. I gently scooped Tuktuk to the shower spot and tied her to the table. And you know what? She was surprisingly calm. Must be my presence. My presence is calm. So, actually I thought she might bolt because she did the first time I showered her. But instead, she just looked at me with those big trusting eyes. I could see she felt so safe around me, which was a huge win. And I feel like a proud parent.